Welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we'll be going over another monitoring. I know there's been a lot here in the first couple, but the biggest thing is being able to monitor your systems, knowing what's up, what's down, what's taking up your storage, being able to get a good insight of everything that's going on with your network. And the best thing to do is start up right off the bat. So the next one we're going to be doing is Uptime Kuma. It's a good type of web interface where you can actually see what the status is of all your other systems. Once you're logged in, you're going to change directory into the containers one that we've already created. Here we're going to do a make directory, and we're going to call that Uptime Kuma, and we're going to change directories into Uptime Kuma. I hit clear screen just to get this cleared up a little bit. Here we're going to do our nano docker compose, and from there we'll paste in from the link, and we'll exit out of this and save it. So we have that. Now the next command to run is the docker compose up-d. Uptime Kuma has been installed. Next thing we're going to do is a docker compose logs. Uptime Kuma's been downloaded, installed, and set up to run. We're going to check the logs real quick to see if everything's okay. Everything should be good at that point. Now the next thing is to go to the actual IP address. Once we put in that IP address and that port, it comes up to the setup for the Uptime Kuma. So the first time this comes up, you're going to have to log in or create a user account. So we've got that and hit create. And once that pops up, we now have the dashboard. First thing I want to do is go into settings and make this dark. So we made it dark. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new monitor. So we'll click on add new monitor. Type it wants to know. We're just actually going to do a ping. We'll just call it PVE home because it's going to be our Proxmox server. Host name is actually going to be the IP address. Heartbeat, it'll check every 60 seconds and everything looks good there. And we're going to hit save. And slowly we'll see these bars get better if they're up or down. So right now we've got green, so that's good for that one. Next thing we can do is we can actually do our Docker container that we had. Do the Docker PS, we can see we've got Uptime Kuma running as well as our Dashi. So we might as well add Dashi to this for monitoring. So we will once again go over here and say add new monitor. We can do, let's do ping again. Friendly name, Dashi, host. This one is 192.168 and 185. And we hit save. That's come up as being good as well. So we've got our PV home, Dashi, and whatever else we create here. This is just a good way of monitoring your systems on your network that you currently have. Further down, we will actually set this up to work with Notify or some other type of places where we can set out different messages and stuff like that to let you know when there's issues and stuff like that. Thank you for watching. This is the second Docker container for the 12 days of Docker. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the night.